Hi, I'm Amanda from Farmhouse, and today we are here at Vintage Vines in Trenton with owners Sina and Rachel.
Hi, thank you so much for having us.
We're going to talk about different uses for the Enamelware for your summer entertaining and this barbecue season.
Amanda has brought this beautiful aqua turquoise colored pitcher in Enamelware from Farmhouse Collection.
They do a fantastic job with their floral arrangements. They're fresh, they're new, and it's
a great example of something that not only you can make an arrangement in, but you can use later on as its intended purpose. I love spring, and these pitchers are perfect to do spring arrangements in. The colors are so vibrant. We have containers here at Vintage Vines, but you can bring in any container and we will do the work for you and make a beautiful centerpiece. So in this picture we have some purple disc buds. We also have hypericum berries and a little bit of wax flower mixed in to bring in some really bright, cheerful colors. So these flowers are really big and vibrant in color, and one thing about it, we can grow these things, some of them in our backyards, but it's so nice to have kind of the different size and quality that we can get. So bring in some elements from your yard and we'll mix them in with our big beautiful blooms. I love this color palette. The pinks mix so well with the yellow of the roses, and aren't these roses just beautiful? They have like a lacy petal on them. Probably since it's so much taller, I would use it on like an entryway table, your buffet with your food items, and mix it in kind of off to the side. This one is perfect because it's so much lower. It would be great on the tabletop. You can see over it, talk with your guests.
Not only can you use this pitcher for floral arrangements and for making your home more beautiful, you can also use it for making one of my favorites, Summertime Sangria. And we're going to show you how. This is my take on sangria. I know that there is the proper right way to make sangria. This isn't it. We're going to start with a large pitcher and whatever fresh fruit you've got in your fridge. It doesn't have to be cut up perfect, just throw it together. Mix it together in the pitcher with our locally bought wine, and you want to let it chill 3 to 4 hours before you serve it. So now we're done making our summer sangria, and I'm going to show you a really quick way just to dress up your drinking glasses. Take your leftover orange slices, cut them halfway up, and slide them onto the rim of the glass.
Thank you so much for being here. We're so glad you chose Vintage Vines today.